Hello folks, thank you for joining us on our website. I'm Ralph Styron with R.A. Styron Heating and Air Conditioning. We're a third generation company that's been serving the greater Hampton Roads area for better than 60 years. We do any sort of residential heating and cooling to include heat pumps, oil, gas, boilers, and of course geothermal. We do sales, service, installation, and yes, we do ductwork. So if you have any heating and air conditioning need, anything you'd like to talk to us about, please give us a call at 757-420-5488. We'd be delighted to hear from you.